just a quick run in the nature. So maybe not a 5 kilometer, just half an hour. Let's see what we can explore. It's called Pulau Pinave. We love Sawa Pulau Pinave. Okay, so kind of nice. You can see, whoa, you can show these birds are maybe catching the fish, trying to eat some fish. Okay, so we'll go inside this. Damn, so scary. See the big. Oh, not only one. Shit. See this one? Whew. What a lovely place to run. A little bit scary also. What you are doing? Oh shit. Oh my goodness. Let's run, buddy. Nature is there. You can see this. Whew. Can you see this bird nest? Wow. So many. Huh? Oh, lovely. Oh, that tree also got. End the run, but now you have to bend your body to cross this. Alright guys, see you next one.